Europe, a continent steeped in history, bursting with culture and just begging to be explored. And what better way to experience its magic than by train? In this comprehensive video series, I'm your guide to navigating Europe's rail network like a seasoned pro. We'll cover everything from planning your dream itinerary to making the most of your time on board. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned backpacker, this guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to turn your European rail adventure into a resounding success. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. All aboard! Google Maps. It's not just for driving directions anymore. This versatile tool is a must-have for planning your European rail adventure. Simply plug in your starting point and destination, select the transit option, and voila! Google Maps will generate a list of possible train routes, complete with departure and arrival times, estimated journey durations, and even platform numbers. You can easily compare different routes, factor in any desired layovers, and even save your preferred itinerary for offline access. It's like having a personal travel agent in your pocket. Do you want more? Don't forget to subscribe. Now that you have your itinerary mapped out, it's time to secure those golden tickets. There are several platforms where you can purchase European train tickets, each with its own set of advantages. Websites like Omio and Trainline offer a comprehensive overview of available routes and prices from various rail operators, allowing for easy comparison shopping. For maximum flexibility, consider a Eurail pass, especially if you plan on extensive travel within a specific region. Remember, booking in advance often yields the best deals, so plan ahead and snag those discounted fares. All right, we've got our tickets, now let's talk fuel for our European rail adventure. Trust me, nothing enhances a scenic train ride like some tasty treats. Now, you can certainly grab snacks at the station, but for authentic local flavors and better prices, venture out a bit. Look for a grocery store or market near your departure point. You'll find a bounty of regional specialties, from crusty bread and creamy cheeses to juicy fruits and decadent chocolates. Don't be shy about asking the locals for their recommendations. They're the experts after all. Remember, packing a little picnic adds a touch of European charm to your journey and keeps those hunger pangs at bay between meals. Arriving at a bustling European train station is an experience in itself, but to ensure a smooth journey, aim to arrive at least 30 minutes before departure, especially for international trips. This gives you ample time to navigate the station, locate your platform, and grab a coffee if you need an extra boost. Keep in mind that European stations can be sprawling complexes with multiple levels and platforms. Familiarize yourself with the layout using station maps or digital displays. And don't hesitate to ask station staff for directions. They're accustomed to helping bewildered travelers. With your departure time approaching, it's time to find your platform. This is where your ticket comes in handy. It'll display your train number, platform number, and sometimes even your car and seat assignment. Look for overhead departure boards throughout the station. These boards will list upcoming departures, train numbers, and corresponding platforms. Once you've located your platform, be sure to double-check the information against your ticket. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and head to the wrong platform. All right, you've navigated the station, you're on the right platform, and your train has arrived. Now, let's find your seat. Check your ticket. It'll tell you your car number and seat number. Car numbers are usually on the outside of the train car, and seat numbers are above the seats. Now, sometimes you're bored to find someone else in your assigned seat. Don't panic, it happens. Just politely show them your ticket, and they'll usually move along. Remember, reserved seats are the norm in Europe, especially on longer routes. If you have large luggage, look for luggage racks at the end of the car or above the seats. Try to stow your bag securely and out of the way. And there you go. You've successfully found your seat. Now sit back, relax, and get ready to enjoy the scenery. Now that you've found your seat and stowed your luggage, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Remember that snack bar we talked about? Now's a great time to grab a treat and a drink. If you're on a longer journey, consider bringing a book, some magazines, or download a movie or two to watch on your tablet. And don't forget your headphones. One of the best things about train travel is the chance to enjoy the scenery. So settle in, gaze out the window, and let the European countryside roll by. As you approach your destination, it's time to gather your belongings and prepare to disembark. Double-check the overhead compartments and under your seat to make sure you haven't left anything behind. Be sure to have your ticket handy, as you may need to show it to an attendant when exiting the train. Once you've disembarked, follow the signs to the station exit or your next connection. In most stations, you'll find clear signage in multiple languages. There you have it, a beginner's guide to navigating Europe by rail. Remember, train travel is all about embracing the journey, so slow down, savor the experience, and connect with the heart of Europe. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next adventure.